Hi there. As you know, we've been making building automated chatbots with Turn easier and easier. After months in beta, Build is now fully grown up and it has a brand new name, Journeys. This is much more than a name change. Journeys are now the primary way of building with Turn. We've been making our visual editor and our code editor better and better every day, and now you can do powerful things that you've never been able to do before. However, this also means that automations and threads are going to be phased out this year. Don't worry, they're going to continue working as usual. However, from July onwards, you won't be able to create new ones. You can't do everything that you were able to do before with journeys. For example, instead of defining the rules of how to trigger a journey in automations, you can do that directly in triggers inside of the journeys. Meanwhile, we also move the automations and the threads into journeys so that everything related to managing your chatbot is in a single place. We encourage you to build anything new with journeys. And as usual, we'd love your feedback about it. Thank you.